The first time I looked at a Wake Up Now presentation, I was open minded to any changes that would create a better life for myself, my wife, and children, but I wasn't looking for something else to do that would take me away from what I was already doing. I was very busy and I wanted something I could use leverage to make more money in less time. I didn't want to waste my time being part of any kind of pyramid scheme. I didn't want to chase my friends and family down to sell them products and services, so I'd had a bad taste of multi-level marketing in my mouth, and most importantly, I didn't want to start the kind of home business that paid all the money to a few people on the top, leaving little, if any, money for those at the bottom. While watching the Wake Up Now presentation, I learned how the company's products and services could lower my monthly expenses, help me get out of debt sooner, and earn a consistent, reoccurring monthly income that my family and I could depend on. I also saw three things that I had never before seen in a home-based business. Number one, when you use the products and services, you will actually end up with more money in your pocket every month than you pay to be a part of the company. Second, this company didn't just pay out obscene amounts of money to the people at the top. This company paid out staggering amounts of money to people at the bottom in a way that I'd never before seen. And three, in order to be successful, the company almost forced people, many of which that you may not even know, to put their customers in your business so that everyone's income can grow even faster. So in a nutshell, the company was built from the ground up to help ordinary, everyday families succeed in life. So I was very impressed and I wanted to be a part of it. 41 days after I started my Wake Up Now business, my month-to-month expenses dropped by a third, and I was also ranked as a Founder 7, making thousands a month in residual income. In 2014, Wake Up Now's compensation plan was voted as one of the best compensation plans out of over 500 plus direct selling companies. The company has also been recognized as the most searched company of its kind on the internet in 2013. In that same year, not only did the corporate staff quadruple, but the company itself grew by 608% in just 6 months. Currently, there are over thousands of people in my business alone that earn over $600 in monthly residual income. The highest earner within my business was promoted in early 2014 to a position that pays out a $1.3 million yearly residual income. And he was just 24 years old when he reached this income and accomplished this within less than 1 year of partnering with Wake Up Now. As with any business, everyone will not achieve those kind of results. It takes a lot of effort to be successful in life, and success doesn't typically come easy. But I'm sure that you can agree that it's not easy to be unsuccessful in life either. The fact is that most of us want to be more successful, and we can be if we have the right opportunity, the right training, the right mentors, and the right mindset. Today, by making a simple choice, you can have all four. Our products and services help you save, manage, and make money, and also protect your money. Let me explain them by sharing my story with you. It costs $99.95 to start with Wake Up Now as a Platinum member. After I paid the startup cost, I started using the Wake Up Now discounts. Most people spend 80% of their money shopping within a 20-mile radius of their home. More and more people are starting to shop online. The Wake Up Now discounts made it easy for me to spend less for just about everything I could possibly buy online or in my local area. Wake Up Now has literally thousands of stores that give you discounts on millions of items. You can save money at well-known stores like Walmart, Home Depot, and so on, all the way down to mom-and-pop shop neighborhood stores. I didn't have to change what I bought, how I bought, or what stores I bought things from. I was able to buy everything from tissue to toothpaste, diapers, detergent, clothes, jewelry, cars, oil changes, restaurants, groceries, electronics, movie tickets, baseball games, theme parks, etc. And I could get those items cheaper. Wake Up Now even took it a step further. How would it feel if you could get some of the items that you needed for free through Wake Up Now? Would that help stretch your money a little further? If people had a choice on paying more or less for their purchase, which would the intelligent people choose? Millions of people are buying all kinds of things around the clock. A huge ocean of money is constantly flowing 24 hours a day from their pockets to the pockets of business owners. Wake Up Now is providing an opportunity for us to help each other route some of that constant money to our bank accounts, and that, in addition to the benefits of our products, are why there's so many people do so well in this company. After I started saving money, I had extra money available to do other things with, so I started using One Finance software to help me manage my money better. The software imported my checking account, savings account, and loans. It also has the ability to import CDs, IRAs, money market accounts, brokerage accounts, mortgages, real estate, credit cards, line of credits, investment accounts, student loans, and so on. So you can see that your entire financial portfolio from one secure location. After all my accounts were loaded into the software, it analyzed all my debt, automatically categorized all my spending. It told me how much I was spending monthly on entertainment, fast food, gas, bills, investments, and so on. It gave me my monthly net worth, the number of years it would take me to get out of debt, and how much interest I would have to pay before I became debt-free. Then I added in my financial goals and created a budget. With a few clicks of the mouse, it showed me how to pay things differently so I could be debt-free years ahead of schedule and save thousands of dollars in interest. It showed me when I was projected to reach each one of my financial goals and allowed me to modify my budget by cutting back on spending and adding some of the residual income I was earning through Wake Up Now so I could get out of debt and reach my personal goals faster. It also sent me emails and text messages when I exceeded a budget to help me stay on track. This product helped me become debt-free within 3 years of using it. The average person that uses One Finance will save from $300 to $1,000 a month in at least $50,000 to $150,000 in interest. One Finance played a major role in changing my life, and it will do the same for anybody else that chooses to use it. I then started using TaxBot. Being a Wake Up Now business owner using TaxBot is one of the smartest things that you can do to help yourself become debt-free and financially sound. I saw a video that said the average adult only lives off 50% of their income because taxes and interest eats up the other half. If you're already a business owner, according to tax expert Sandy Botkin, 84% of you overpay for your taxes every year. And the sad part is, most of the 84% don't know that, and they're a part of the 84%. If you don't have a home-based business like Wake Up Now, you're just making a huge mistake, and let me explain why. As an example, let's take a couple that makes $40,000 per year. Things are tight, so the spouse gets a job earning an extra $20,000, bringing their couple's total income to $60,000 per year. At the end of the year, the couples look at their bank account scratching their heads because even though $20,000 more came in, they hardly see any difference in their bank account. Why is this? Well, based on the 2009 tax rate, on the $20,000 they have to pay $4,845 in new federal and state taxes, that most of that is non-deductible. 7.65% on the $20,000 for Social Security, that's $1,530, which is non-deductible. We assume they drove 10 miles a day, round trip, 5 days a year, 50 weeks a year, at the IRS 56 cents per mile rate. That's about $1,375 of coming in and commuting that's non-deductible. At work, we tend to get hungry, so we allot $7 per day, 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year for lunch. That comes out to about $1,750 that is non-deductible. We want to look presentable for the dry cleaning bill, so that goes up by $1,200 per year. And finally, both spouses are working. They don't want to cook, so they eat out a little more. So let's allot $2,000 for that. And what's about childcare? We're going to allot about $125 per week for 3 kids over the course of 50 weeks, comes out to $6,250 per year, and most of that is non-deductible. And after all the long hours, the commuting back and forth to work, and the spouse made $20,000 extra, but the real take pay for the year's work was $1,050. So see, when I signed up to use these awesome products from WakeUpNow, I also became a home-based business owner. That qualified me for over 450 tax deductions that I didn't have access to as an employee. It said that you'll save $2 in taxes for every second you spend using TaxBot. Last year, I accumulated almost $85,000 in tax deductions simply by using TaxBot. As a business owner, just about all my expenses that were business related were tax deductible. My clothes, my travel, dinners, golf, entertainment, cell phone bill, and much, much more was all tax deductible. TaxBot makes it fast and easy to document, track, and store deductions using the camera right on your phone to take pics of the receipts. The receipts are then stored in the cloud so that you no longer have to deal with the hassle of keeping up with loose receipts. What took minutes can now be done in seconds, and you can sleep well at night because TaxBot is 100% compliant with the IRS and bulletproof against IRS audits. The phone app can also GPS to track your mileage when driving on business trips so that you don't have to deal with manually logging mileage in a book. You'll also have access to the video library that educates you on what you can and cannot write off, as well as how to do. WakeUpNow corporate discounts also gives you cell phone discounts up to 22% for participating cell phone providers. As you're building wealth, it's important to start protecting it. 69% of adults have experienced cybercrime. That's almost 3 out of every 4 people. There's over 1 million cybercrime victims per day worldwide. In other words, it's common to have your identity and computer compromised. It's very important to lock down and secure your identity, credit, and computer. And so WakeUpNow helps you do that by offering whole identity monitoring, which proactively monitors for virtually all forms of identity theft, not just fraud. This includes cybercrime protection, which helps protect you against hackers, viruses, spyware, and more. WakeUpNow has credit protection, tools and resources, privacy protection tools and resources, lost wallet protection, whole identity recovery, complete identity restoration, $25,000 of ID theft insurance, and Cyberhood Watch. Now let's talk about fun. If you could vacation around the world at wholesale prices, literally penny on the dollar, would you do that? The WakeUpNow Vacation Club has afforded me and my family to do just that. And the great thing about this club is it's not like buying a timeshare where you have restrictions and monthly and yearly maintenance fee. This has no restrictions. This enables you to travel at several million locations worldwide, whether you want to get discounts on hotels, massive discounts on condos and cruises. You can do that through the WakeUpNow Vacation Club, which is simply a better way to travel. So for example, if you want to go to Treasure Island or Park City or Disneyland or Las Vegas, you can find incredible deals through the Vacation Club. My wife and I have been able to do that, take ourselves as well as our family to be able to go to these great locations, and we've been able to do it at an affordable price thanks to the WakeUpNow Vacation Club. So when you take a look at WakeUpNow, what we do is we help you to save money, manage money, and make money. To help you become completely out of debt, save you on your taxes, and save you on your spending at the same time. And I want to show you a simple way to get paid just to share our message. And the very first part is you want to take care of the monthly subscription fee, as we talked about earlier. The simplest way that you can do that is just by using the products and services that we have. For example, you can use TaxBot, which makes your monthly subscription fee 100% tax deductible. Get all of the discounts, whether they be cell phone discounts or purchases through the marketplace or using WakeUpNow Finance to get you completely out of debt. All of those things will by far exceed the monthly fee. Also, you can enroll 3 people or 3 business partners as platinum members in WakeUpNow. You're going to get a $100 monthly residual bonus. Now, the next step is the Founder 3 bonus, or we call it the 600 Club. We have a formula, a very simple formula that we teach and help you follow, and it's known as B3H3G3. And it stands for this: bring 3, help 3, get 3. So what you do is you enroll 3 platinum members or business partners. You help those 3 do the same thing. Okay? That means that you're going to have a team of 12 people, or speaking in terms of volume, 1,170 group volume. That's going to give you a bonus, a residual bonus of $600 a month. $600 a month residual. In most companies, you'd be lucky to make even $10. Okay? So the 600 Club is life changing. Dave Ramsey said that the average American, if they had $500 extra a month, 90% wouldn't file bankruptcy. 90%. So this 600 Club is absolutely outstanding. As I'd mentioned, even a year previous, I had about 10 or 11 people in the 600 Club. 1 year later, we had several thousand. Guys, this is absolutely life-changing, and you can be part of this club as well. Also, as we look at the Wake Up Now compensation plan at a glance, when you look at the Founder 3 bonus, as we had just gone over there, and then you look at the Founder 4. A Founder 4 is a person who has personally enrolled at least 4 business partners, okay? They've got a group volume of 10,000. And the way that that calculates, when you look at volume and you look at, well, how many people would I need? We speak in terms of volume. But if we look at people, you're talking about just a little over 100 people on your team, which you actually won't need that many, because when people are purchasing things through Wake Up Now, that's going to help create volume for you. But the average Founder 4 makes about $2,300 to $2,500 a month. And if you look at, you also get the vacation dollars, $250 extra a month, where the company can send you on a paid-for trip of your choice, or you can let that $250 compound for 3 months and go on an even bigger trip if you would like. Looking at the Founder 5 bonus, now you kick in an auto bonus. Okay, how many of you could use a new car? How many of you would like to get a car and also have it be tax deductible as a part of your business and get 56 cents a mile everywhere you drive for business use? Okay, so now you got the vacation bonus and you have the auto bonus. And the average Founder 5 makes between about $4,000 to $4,500 a month, and you can look at the income disclosure statement to see that. So as we go up the ranks, you can see here with Founder 7 all the way up to Global Executive and beyond with our additional ranks that we will have with Wake Up Now. If you haven't seen them already, you can literally make as much money as you want in this company. There's simply no limitations. But because of the Founder 3 bonus and the 600 Club, guys, that's life-changing. If you will help people follow that formula, B3H3G3, you can change lives all over this country. And the great thing that we had mentioned before, there is no sign-up fee. All you pay is the monthly subscription. It's $99.95. It's month to month. It has no contract. How do you get that covered? You use TaxBot. You're a business owner, use TaxBot. You go under Add Expense, put it under Dues and Subscriptions, and now your $99.95 monthly subscription fee is 100% tax deductible. Use any of the other stuff, like I talked about before, Wake Up Now Finance, average person should save $500 to $1,000 a month just using that one product. What is it worth to you to get out of debt? Is it worth $10? Is it worth $50? Is it worth $100? That's up to you. We also have a stud of a CEO, Kirby Cochran. He's had an impeccable track record. He built a billion-dollar company. He's funded over 200 companies. He was a professor at 2 major universities, and he stated the following. He said that Wake Up Now has the potential to be the largest and most successful network marketing company of all time. Guys, the potential, and you can do that as you lock arms with us. And so what you need to do is you need to get back to the person who invited you to watch this video, and you're going to tell them, I'm either a 1, 2, or 3. Number 1, I love it, I'm in, sign me up. Number 2, I like it, but I need some more information. That's okay, just get back in contact with them and let them know what you liked about it and what questions that you had. Or number 3, don't ever contact me again. I want nothing to do with this, okay? So all you have to do is get back in contact with the person who had you watch this video and simply tell them what number that you are. But guys, I believe from my experience in network marketing and my experience in over 4 years of doing Wake Up Now, that it can absolutely change your life as it has for mine. It can give you the time freedom with residual, reoccurring, ongoing income that can literally free you from the chains and bonds of debt and to spend time with the people that you care about the most. Guys, gals, we'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching.